this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off your DualSense Edge wireless controller for your PlayStation 5. And if you have it connected to your PC or your phone or even your PlayStation 5, all you have to do is hold down the middle PlayStation button and it will turn off. So if I continue to hold this down, after about 5 seconds the controller light will turn off and then I'll have to reconnect it. So it's going to turn off, boom, right there. DualSense Edge wireless controller is disconnected. So if you have on your phone, you can easily do that. Now if I turn this on the PlayStation at any point in time, you can press the PlayStation button, go on over to accessories right here, go to DualSense Edge wireless controller, and then go to where it says turn off right here. That's an easy way to turn it off as well. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.